5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Hello. Guten Tag and Zdravstvuyte. The doc is in, and welcome to another element showcase. Today we're going to be showcasing the element zinc. So first of all, zinc is a very common metal, usually used in alloys to prevent like a corrosion lightly resistant steel. However, chromium is usually more prevalent, but zinc is cheaper. So one thing you can tell about zinc is that all metals usually have some sort of ionization flame color, kind of like with lithium we saw that magenta flame. Zinc, I think, has almost like a light blue, almost white-ish flame. So let's see. We'll take this. We'll put this just right here. Let's see, does it? There we go. Yep, there we go. You can kind of see at the top. Written that almost the same color as the propane on. There you go, right there. You can kind of see that right there. Hopefully you can. Okay. So yeah, and then you get zinc oxide, okay. Another thing zinc is good for is acid reactions. Alright guys, welcome back. Yeah, this is a little late. And sorry if this might seem a little rushed. I am just slightly pressed for time, but this is basically picking up from in the last video. The footage that I used was it just went bad. The experiment basically failed, and so it didn't do exactly what I thought it was going to do. So I'm going to just redo it here with something that I know works. This right here are zinc shavings, and with this I'm going to show you how zinc reacts with acids. Zinc is usually used to react with acids. It's going to be in here. But for right now, we just have some zinc shavings in here. I think we can put just a few more in there. These are all shavings from the ring I made earlier. That video should have gone up just actually very, very recently. Right then. And so this is the muriatic acid we've used. And so here we go. Let's just pour. That is hydrogen gas. Now that's what I wanted to happen, but apparently, and look how quickly that goes. Yep. And look how quickly that goes. One reason why it does go so quickly is because these are like tiny little fragments of zinc. If you look here, see? Just tiny, minuscule little fragments of zinc. And so what we can do now is with this, now this creates a very good solution of zinc chloride, because we know that the zinc is almost completely fully reacted with the hydrochloric acid because of how small these shavings are. Okay, that was not what I wanted. Got a little on my hand. Okay, let me see if I got a little bit of a base here. So yeah, I have a little tiny thing of neutralizer for my hands, just in case I get it on them, because I didn't want to touch my phone with these gloves that I have over here. But usually you will always want to use gloves when handling any sort of acid. So we're just going to put a little bit more, just a few more of these shavings in there, and then we'll end out the video. So let's see if we can just go on in, please. Thank you. Just look how quickly that reacts, and look how quickly that reacts, and just how almost instantaneous it does. So you can kind of hear the hissing of it. Okay, I don't know because my camera is over here and my speaker's over there. Hopefully you can hear it. You can kind of hear that hissing sound. And there, let me get behind it, is the gas. That's all hydrogen gas, and kind of mixed in with a little bit of acid vapor. Kind of mixed in with a little bit of acid vapor, considering that it is this reaction is quite warm, so it does produce, it is exothermic, and I'm feeling it right now, and it's a bit hot. So then we got a few spills on the pavement. So yeah, we have the zinc here. We could next put, I might do this in another video. Can we focus, please? Thank you. I might do this in another video where we dissolve some of this, or not dissolve, excuse me, where we take this and we boil off the liquid and leave only the salt. Like, if you know how if you take salt water and then you boil the salt water and you boil all the water away, you only have the salt left. So that's kind of the same thing we're going to do here. We're going to take the salt, which is the zinc chloride, and that's not to say that, like, it's not table salt. Table salt is sodium chloride. When I say salt, I mean a chemical salt. Can we please focus? I mean a chemical salt. A chemical salt is any sort of metal that reacts with a non-metal, such as a halogen or a polyatomic ion like a carbonate, sulfate, nitrate, anything like that. Sorry, you guys can't see my face, so I'm actually going to move down slightly, if you can somewhat see my face now. Okay, sorry about that. So yeah, that was zinc for the element SHoWCaSe. I'll try maybe to get back to this. Maybe we'll do a salt test with this, and the copper one, which is really cool. I'm going to try and get that in the works very soon. I don't have that propane torch yet. I am still putting in an order for it. I will hopefully get that soon, and once I do get that, then we'll hopefully be able to get the copper one underway, because with that one, I feel like I'm going to probably need to use a hotter flame source than the fire or a regular butane lighter. But anyway, other than that, that's going to do it for this video. This is the doc saying goodbye. Auf Wiedersehen. Do svidaniya. Thank you everybody so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Ta-ta for now.
You're gonna be a part of the channel.